good morning. Here we are at Cumberland Mine Railroad on curve 49. More work getting done today. Regaging a little section of track there. We got a backhoe up there cribbing out. I'm cribbing out right here. Got this here this morning already. This little section I cribbed out yesterday and dumped rock in it. They ran 2 trains over this curve last night. We had a slow order on 15 mile an hour. Still rough. I haven't got it. It's gonna be a little while. I'm gonna get some tamping in up on the top part of the curve today. Apprentice loader up there picking up ties. The apprentice loader at the far end. So I got 2 trucks up there. He's picking up all the used rail. I'm going to haul it out of here. So we're getting our work done here. I got another backhoe over here cribbing behind me. So we got a lot of help out here today. Got a contractor out here, and we're gonna get some stuff done. We gotta get something done today. Get this railroad back in shape. Awful lot of mud in here. Goodness gracious. He got a little bucket on there. He can't get a whole lot in it, but it's nice for getting underneath the rail. That's the hard part, getting underneath the rail. So a lot of action going on here this morning. A lot of action going on here this morning. Curve 49, Cumberland Mine Railroad. And thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day. And check out I got a bunch more videos here on curve 49, all the work we've been doing, and check them out on YouTube.